All right, let's get this recording started. I'm not showing my face, so we just get into the market breakdown. Starting with gold. All right. So gold we've been, dropping. It's obvious 4 hours. So with gold, I don't usually go to the daily. Sometimes I do well now. Then in the 4,000 range, then daily is very important. So we've been dropping. We had this strong support, but I believe that before we see any reversal, um, any like strong push, maybe strong rejection, I will be expecting at least a double bottom. Well, I may or may not see it. It's not a must, but if you look at previous reactions, double bottom came all the way down, double bottom came all the way down, double bottom, and so expecting the same thing. So well, while expecting it, I'll be waiting to take bearish. I'll be bearish on this pair. So what I'm expecting with gold would be let's see. I'll be expecting a double top ish, and then probably a drop down back to this level. Let's see. On the daily, probably looking to see somewhat of a long week. Something that looks maybe not like this or like this, maybe something more visible like these two right here. Need to see something like that. So looking for a sell. Why do I say a sell? Because I mean it's been bearish, and for me it hasn't shifted structure yet. Daily still bearish. 4 hour, well, it's still bearish actually, because it's lower low, lower high. If you consider this, if you don't consider this, then this will be the lower high and then lower low. So we are yet to see a break of this high or this high to say, oh, now you're bullish. So till then we are bearish. If I remove this Fibonacci tool, you see that it's just reacting to this level. It gave us a very nice rejection. And if I'll show you something. So for this, go back to the one. For this area where we had somewhat a break of a strong low, then so just ignore this, right? Just look at what it displays. The break, and then it came just but at the just below its last low, and then rejected. So how did it reject? 1 hour. So market repeats itself across different time frames. So 1 hour you see low, high, and then it drop. But if you go down to the 15 minutes, what it looks like is low, high, double top, push, break below, and then a sell off. So now we are dealing with the higher time frame. Just going to look for the same thing. This is now the whole move, the break below. Now I'm not saying it's going to have all this move, on the higher time frame, but still expecting that same pattern. So now if you look at it on the daily, we had this push, and then 4 hour we have low, high, and then one now I'm expecting on the 15 minutes, not on the sorry, on the 1 hour, no longer on the 15 minutes, because this is a higher time frame move. So expecting that same double top and then a push. If I don't see it, fine. Moving on to the next one. Oil. For oil, it's obviously bearish, but didn't present any opportunity previously. So until I see something like lower high, right, then a continuation, I'm fine. DXY is not for trading, it's just for confluence. We are still on the daily, we are still bullish. We're pretty more bullish. Came to a major high, pretty more bullish until we see it cross this low. We aren't bearish yet, so it could still come down here for retracement and then a continuation, or depending on how strong it is, the news. I mean, we have news coming out. We have job opening. We have ISM manufacturing, that is on first. That'll be on Wednesday, and then we have non-farm payroll on Thursday and unemployment rate. So let's see how it comes out. We have the numbers. We have some numbers here, so you could use the previous and forecast to, you know, have your speculation plus, I mean, the chart pattern. So DXY still bullish. So when you're looking at other pairs, just have that in mind. It's not, you know, major thing, but just have it in mind. Then we have USD JPY finally broken this high. Although I don't like the way I drew my support, because, so give me a minute, just that. So yeah, we have it closed just right below that same level, below, and so if you come to what it's doing right now, it's barely above, right? Yeah, so expecting maybe a higher low, then a continuation. So then not interested. Next one, USD card in extreme. This is crazy. Like hardly a bearish day. Like just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish days up to this high. It's just amazing. If you look at it from the 4 hours, it's just money. So what am I expecting? Well, it's simple, it's obvious. We've cleared this, double top high. We are now, above this level that, when it's above, it rejects upwards, when it's below, it rejects downwards. And so, well, I'll just have to draw the next expected area. Right? Let me be sure I got that right. Yup, that is accurate. So just it. Yeah. So that'll be the next expected point. So if we see it reject here, which is having a retracement to that level, oh yes, this looks good. So you could just see, a push from here, and it's just gonna rally all the way up. So first pair on my list, next one, we do have USD CHF. USD CHF bullish, right? Bullish. We got to this point, rejecting it. So what might happen? Come back here, give us a higher low, get back to this area. So if it does that, a higher low, then I'll just buy back to the same area. If it breaks past, expecting it to. So second on the list, excuse me, looks good to me. Next, GBP USD. GBP USD, honestly, I'm not expecting to take any buys, so until it breaks past this level and retrace. So yeah, honestly, there's nothing. So what I'll be expecting to maybe think of placing any trade is if I see it break this level, that will be a break, retest, continuation, or break below, retest, and continuation. So those are like the two scenarios, but for now, skip it. Next, yeah, GBP AUD. Oh boy, GBP AUD. Let's see. GBP AUD has been bullish, very bullish. From the opening of the week to Wednesday, just kept rallying, and well, we broke above, so it might just finish its move. So if you think it's worth catching, let's see, come down, give us a push, maybe somewhere around there. Stop will be somewhere here or here. I mean, a good 1 to 2. Let's see. Yep, a good one to two, one to three. Nice move. 136 pips. Mm, it's a good trade too, right? So let's have it on there. Next one would be GBPCHF, right? GPCHF bullish. I mean, I think since DXY has been trending, every other thing is trending. So this is like a very good time to catch like amazing opportunities. So bullish came back to the retest of this level, right? So we have it test, 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 reject, 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 and then we are back here. So I mean, this is nasty. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of doing absolutely nothing. Well, uh, what I will be expecting is to see this a break above for a buy to this area. Stop loss not yet unknown unknown for now. But yeah, I think that would be a good place to target at the very least. Right. Yeah, at the very least, that would be a nice target. Still kind of a weird, you know, well, not so weird. It's a 1 to 3. Add it. Moving on. Uh, Phew. So, nope. Not seeing. It's just very small range. Seeing whatever it's doing. Not interested. This time though, only way I'll be interested is if I see it break below this area, um, and then look for a sell. Well, till then, because if you let's see, I think I need to readjust this because it's not making sense. Well, that's the thing when you have your stop loss, sorry, your support and resistance wrongly placed, you tend to see the market differently, right? So now it looks very interesting. Go down to the daily double top. Oh boy, now I'm interested. So, ooh, you know what? Let's just yeah. So we do have a clean double top, and ooh boy, okay, this looks good. So I'm just gonna add it to the red folder. What I'm looking for to enter, basically, seeing another candle close below here. So once I see that, how does this guy move? Not so well. Well, it creates very clean structure. GBP card. So if that happens, a sell off, and I'll be looking to. Yeah, there's always that range between this level and the top of this level. So down here, up here, back down, all the way up, down, all the way up. Well, we didn't get there, came back and back, and it's pretty much in the center. So at the very least, from up here, expecting it to come all the way down. So that'll be a sell. Next one, GBP JPY. Yeah, about this one, I don't know what language is speaking. Alright, so I'm just gonna let it be. Next, Euro. Oh yes, this trade. See nothing interesting here. Whoa, what the hell is that? Ooh, okay. Not interested unless it breaks below this area, and then we'll see. So till then, nothing. Next, Euro USD. Okay. So if Euro USD has broken below on the 4 hour, looks good. Looks good. So probably just expect maybe something, maybe a week to come all the way to this candle, and then so I'll be looking at maybe on the 1 hour, something like that. Yeah, to create maybe right shoulder and then a sell off. So Euro USD, interested. Uh, Euro JPY. So now we're in the Euro list. So Euro JPY. Ah. So we have double top break retest. 4 hours did practically the same thing with Euro USD. And then we did have it reject this Fibonacci. Looks good. Expecting it to come all the way here. Risk to reward. Let's see. Yeah. 2 5. Yeah. Right. Yep. We have it exceeding this level. So then let's see if we could get all the way here. So Euro JPY. Yep. On the list. Next, we do have. No, I need to record this because all this. Oh, okay. We have a very, very, very solid level here. So I'm going to a lot of pairs to go through, honestly. So I'm trying to move as fast as I can while remaining focused. So we have. Well, why am I even doing that? It's not something I always do, but when I see it, I see it. So aggressive entry. I mean, from here, like one could start happening, but preferably just after a candle close below this area. Yeah, which will be very nice. And you can see, depending on your entry strategy, breakout or breakout retest. This will be a nice trade to take. So something like this. Who knows, whatever the high is gonna be, and then the exit point 2.5. Not bad. Check. Next. Yeah. So ranging. So there's nothing really you can do until it gets to this bottom, and then you look for another buy. So not interested. That's AUD card. NZD US. Oh boy, NZD. Didn't see this one. NZD USD. I don't think there's anything honestly to see here again, because the it has moved, it has gone. We just allow it to finish. Not interested. Next, CHF JPY exotic pair. It's ranging. There's really nothing here. Just yeah. CAD JPY. Let me move this. Yeah, it is slowly declining. It has moved. Nothing there to see. Unless you be waiting for it to let's be waiting for it to come all the way back here for a retest and then it's sell off. Right, that'll be like head, shoulder, and then shoulder. Right, look at the box. Head, shoulder. Okay, in a minute. Shoulder, head, and then another shoulder, maybe somewhere around here. Yeah, that would be like a good reason to set it up. So probably see another a stronger push upward and drop. No, well, personally, I'm not interested in it. So if you find it interesting, you could look at it. And I think that is the last on the list. Oh, we still have two more. Oh, we have Bitcoin, so, which I haven't traded in I don't know how long. This per so we have a very floor, solid floor, and it's just been shrinking and shrinking. So until I see a break on either side, I'm not interested because it's getting too small, way too small. Oh, NZDCHF. It's about the same move with NZD so NZDCHF expectations simple retest continuation. If I don't see it, I'm not interested, right? Because it's not really nothing else to do. You can't take a trade there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so either this level or this level, so just so what it. Alright, then the last but not the least, yep, Bitcoin did it. Rejection route. Well, not not a big fan of trading Bitcoin for now. I haven't had time to. I don't have what's it called? Strategy for Bitcoin, entry and exit strategy. I've not done my due diligence to study the way the chart moves, the pair moves. So, well, just analyze, just look at it, and I don't trade it. So, but I mean, it looks bearish. It looks bearish, and all right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, starting with gold high, expected to do something very interesting. So I like trades with enough breathing room because I am a swing trader. I just like to hold it. So this I like it because I mean there's really no other obstacle after this level is this level, just a free runway. Next one, I'll leave it here. Tendencies it could come and come in, will go even lower than that. So just leave it where it's at. Next one would be, huh, well, it depends. May or may not, 50-50, leave it there. This one, GBPCHF. Looks interesting. I might just place it up here. Next one will be, oh yes, definitely GBP card, definitely. Then we have definitely Euro USD. Just see this free run with no obstruction. You just after this is this, so let it run. Euro GP definitely. God, we have a lot. But the thing is, I can only take 2 trades, max 3. This one I think I'll leave it here, and then this one I'll leave it here. So I think we've come to the end of this. I hope I didn't move too fast. I hope it was clear. If you have any question, you could ask in the comments, or just, I mean, if you ask in the comment, I probably won't be able to reply you on time or in a format I'd want to reply in. So in the description you're gonna see link to my Telegram channel, and I also pinned my free trading course. It's free, so it's on another group just there for free. And over there, people get to have requests on topics they need clarification, and then I make videos on those topics for them on the group, and it's all for free. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I have update on the challenge, that's $72 to $1,000 challenge, coming up next week. I'm dropping them once a month because I'm swing trading. I don't really I'm putting it weekly. I'll do it monthly, and very interesting. It's going to be a very detailed video. I'm going to explain a lot of trades I took more trades than I expected, because I was day trading a certain pair. So either ways, I'll see you in the next video.